you in a tornado. Expectation. Run! I'm in the basement right now. Reality. Oh my god, I'm going upstairs. I'm going in my closet. Oh my god. Ooh, there's an attic up here. I can't go in because the tornado's already coming. The door is open. Okay, guys. Ooh, there's a machine right here. Oh god, the tornado. No, no. No, no! Ah! Oh, God, no, no. Those were all for the expectations. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. So yeah, bye-bye.